Hi, welcome everyone to another video of mine. Sorry if I haven't made a video in a while, but I'm out here at one of my local parks, major one, and yeah, just walking around, you know, doing some vlogging and whatnot, making videos and stuff. Yeah. Wait. Am I seeing what I think I see way down there? It's kind of hard to say from here. No. But let me just go back down there and see what I think I see. Oh! Don't get a bit clearer. No. Wait a minute. Huh? Is that a Rubik's Cube that I see down there? Hold on. Wait a minute. Huh? No. That cannot be. Right. Out of this? That washed up on shore? Alright. If it is, then alright. Well then. I don't know how long it's been here. But, hey, I just found a Rubik's Cube. Lucky on me. No. Yeah. I don't know what to say about this. No. With the cube that I just found. Well, I'll probably keep it. I don't know. Oh God. I can barely even turn it with my fingers. No. Seriously? How the hell are you supposed to even turn it? And the stickers are all messed up. Oh, I got it turning. Okay. Yeah. It seems like it works decently well-ish. I don't know. Alright. So, this cube that I just found, technically I didn't find it. I put it there. It was a cube that I already had. And I'm making this video over next to my local river, which is the Ohio River. And so if you hear extra noise, that's because I'm right under a bridge in one of our major highways. And yeah, so basically I'm making this video about recent trend that's happening on YouTube that just started not too long ago called Team Ocean. So it's a thing that Mr. Beast together, which is a way that you can donate money in order to clean up the ocean, rivers, and whatnot. So basically, $1 that get donated equals to 1 pound of waste removed. So, in that case, I'll be auctioning this cube off on eBay, and I will be also including a free set, an also set a secret. And so, with the money that I'll be getting from this auction, I'll be using to donate to Team Ocean. And with that, I'm like doing my own cause. And with this Team Ocean thing, they'll be cleaning up the ocean and whatnot. And if you see this picture right here, there's basically a lot of waste, plastic waste, that ends up in those crevices along rivers and ocean and stuff that's alongside barges, bridges and stuff like that. And that's not good. And so what I thought as a cuber is that what if cube manufacturers like Moe, Lucien, Dancing and whatnot, all those major manufacturers, switch over to some other material, like plastic, that will end up in the ocean and be harmful to the environment and also to fishes and animals. Well, I thought about it. There's several different options. Option 1, which is to make it out of metal, sort of like this cube right here. This cube is an aluminum cube, and it's heavy. That's one downside of using metal, that it makes the cube much more heavier. And the process of making it can be tricky, because there's several different processes that you can use to make this. One, which is like mold making, the way you mold metal to a mold, you get the part that way. Or the other way is machine cutting, which is using like CNC mill, laser cutter, something like that. You carve out the pieces of metal. And both of those processes are okay, but the machine one is much more trickier, because the machine are much more expensive and can take so much more time to cut out the pieces or really precise cut. And then again, depends on what metal we use, how complex the mechanism of the puzzle is, will make the cost equivalent much more expensive. So there's that. And it's like making a puzzle, like for say example, can 11 out of full metal with the sticklet design and stuff. That's much more secure to do. And at the same time, there's not many processes that you can use to make the raw metal different colors other than like electroplating them and stuff like that. But yeah, and then there's another thing that cube manufacturers could do, which is a little bit easier, which is using biodegradable plastic, which is like corn-based plastic. But the thing is, I don't know how that type of plastic will withstand the usage, like an average usage, like an average Speedcube's usage of the puzzle. Of like, let's say, you like something that's doing like an average of 1,000 for 5 days straight. And stuff like that. And again, I don't know how well that type of plastic react to like the moves that are really popular here in Speedcubing, Speedcube or not, that like Speedcube Shop, Cubicle, and some of those other stores sell that are highly recommended stuff, loot. But anyway, go ahead and check the link in the description below to see the eBay auction on this cube, and good luck on bidding it. And another thing is with the metal cube, like what I said, is that this cube is heavy, which is something like about almost 300 grams, while most of the cubes from Moyu, Lucid, and Widen were not in between like 60 and 80 grams. So this is much more heavier than the other cube. So, but that's my thought, my contribution